Good morning, all. I've just realised I haven't put it in the newsletter, so this is a voiceover special. It's my official 5-year anniversary of the barracks today. I actually moved in a few days earlier, but according to the Anmelderamt at the local government, today, 5 years ago, I moved in. Anyway, KW-14, especially cheffy, and the tomato house gets prepped. Gardeners in the winter spend a lot of time reading old gardening books, planning new beds, arranging the growing season in their minds, and spending as much time wandering the gardens of their imagination, even when they are trapped inside by long dark nights and hard frozen ground. This year, I'm planning on being especially cheffy in all things. We eat the best food that money can't buy here. Seriously, in the coming weeks, we're going to be drowning in baby leaf spinach, organic asparagus, the first of the lettuce, and the last of the potatoes. In 2024, though, we're planning on upping the stakes. I'm pretty much always thinking about growing and eating awesome food, but this week we spent a good amount of time planning the edible flowers, edamame beans, the fanciest herbs, kitchen and medicinal, and the banana tree is now of a size where we will definitely be enjoying curry served on banana leaves at least a couple of times this year. And in the winter, I'm already planning a long-standing desire of mine, to cook potatoes 100 different ways. This week we also got properly cracking with the tomato house. There'll be much progress to show next week, fingers crossed, but I thought you might like to see a bit of a picture compilation of a proper start of the process. Lots of things can all happen at the same time. We're going to be making the majority of the structure with roundwood. This video is your pirate using a Swedish draw knife to scrape off the bark and the phloem and the cambium off the structural elements. All we want is the hardwood or xylem that makes up the majority of a tree. The bark provides the tree with a lot of protection when it's growing, but when it's dead, it just traps water inside, making it more likely to rot faster. The whole of the front of the structure will be these super fancy windows I got from a guy I know whose job it is to pull down buildings. They had a quick spray wash in the sunshine yesterday. We'll give them a proper clean as well. And of course, no tomato house should be without proper foundations. We are building very proper foundations. And so this week, sowing the last of the summer wheat. I got about half of it in last week. I really want to try the first couple of rows of soya beans and sweet corn as well. It's quite risky going in this early, but it's worth a go perhaps. I guess we really are into April now. It wouldn't hurt to get a load more other seeds into pods. I'd like to start off some peas and beans, and pumpkins, and kale. I have a strong urge for kale. The posh composting toilet needs a bit of extra strength after being blown over in the winter. We'll probably do that. And go for a swim. I really fancy a nice long swim. As you can see, another busy week. I hope you all have a good one too. Enjoy the lengthening evenings and be excellent to each other. Your loving Pirate Ben. XO. XO.